Welcome to this quick tutorial where I will show you how to change the piece animations on the Chess.com app for your phone. If you want to customize how the chess pieces move during your games and improve your playing experience, this video will guide you step by step through the process. First, open the Chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on More. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the app's options. Inside Settings, tap on Board to open board-related settings. After that, tap on Piece Animations. Here you will see three different options: Legacy, Fast, and Simple. Legacy offers the classic animation style. Fast makes the piece movements quicker, and Simple provides minimal animation for a more straightforward look. Finally, choose the animation style that you prefer by tapping on the option. Your choice will be applied immediately, so you can try them out to see which one feels best during your games. You can always come back to change it again anytime. In conclusion, changing piece animations on chess.com for Android is easy and lets you customize your gameplay visually. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your chess experience and play more comfortably. Thanks for watching.